Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha. I'm from Communicators Digital Gurukul. I help professionals to improve their communication skills so that they can improve their career growth and attract abundance. And today I have someone who has joined my community, who has joined this Gurukul in May 2023. And I'm really surprised to see her growth because she has put all her hard work, efforts, and determination to go through this journey. And today she is a YouTuber, she is an influencer. And for that, I would like to invite Smirty Swaroop so that she can talk about her journey.
Hi, Akanksha.
How are you?
I am great. How
Great.
about you?
I'm good. I'm good too. Thank you so much, Smriti, for joining this. I know this interview is long awaited and I'm super excited. I'm not sure about you, but I am super excited to have you with me in this interview because I know that how much hard work you have put to this journey. I know how much determined you are towards this journey. So first thing, tell us that how when you decided that you need to learn English, why you have decided that you need to learn English, and what made you to join this Communicators Digital Gurukul. Yeah, Smriti.
Okay. Okay. First of all, I really want to say from the bottom of my heart that I am really very excited for this interview. And now I will just reply your question that I started my journey a year ago, and it was really miraculously. You will be amazed to know how it is a start. It was started. Actually, we are Sahaj Yogis, and by the grace of Shri Mataji, who is founder of Sahaj Yoga Meditation, my daughter and I found a chance to translate of her speeches from English to Hindi. So we did this wholeheartedly, and after completion all the translations, I just thought that it was my great desire from my childhood that I wanted to very fluent in English. So I surrounded myself completely by this language, and started putting lots of efforts, like I brushed up my grammar portion, and I started reading only in English and watching and listening and all. Apps also like Duolingo, Namaste English, and they were totally free of cost. So I did that one also. Actually, my son suggested for that, and then after that, I subscribed some paid courses also, and then fortunately I joined Akanksha's CDG webinar, and it was really a great decision of mine that I joined her. And as the name suggests, it is really blessing for English enthusiast.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Smriti. But one question, since you were going through so much of apps, you were reading, you were practicing, so you were doing a lot by yourself. Then why did you think that now it's time I need a mentor? So how the journey of self-learning was different than learning from a mentor or learning from anybody like me? Yeah.
Yes. Why? Because when I joined your webinar, then I found there were variety of courses, and I just hooked by all of them. And after joining CDG, I found that just as the name suggest, Communicator Digital Gurukul, here we learn communication just like that only. We learn communication digitally by Gurukul way. Means we learn traditionally all modern communication and technical things also. So
Okay.
that's
Okay.
my mentor in you.
Thank you. Thank you. So the other question is, Priti, is that what exactly problem you were facing when it comes to English communication, you know. So many people have fluency issue, many people have confidence issue. So what exactly problem you were having at that time?
Okay. My problem is that I was not having at all any confidence issue, and I brushed up my grammar portion also. But one was my great difficulty, that if someone started speaking in English in front of me in very advanced manner, so that time I become little bit hesitant, and that was my great hurdle, you can say.
Okay, okay. And now how much you are comfortable after having 3, 4, 5 months with me? So are you feeling that now you are confident to talk to anybody and you would be able to, face anybody and you won't have that confidence issue anymore?
Yeah, I am not at all having any confidence issues. Why? Because whenever I feel like that I am little bit hesitant, I immediately switch off to Hindi, because it is our mother tongue. So if we are facing any issues, so I just switched off, and then I confidently again switched off to English. So I
Very,
do
that's
my conversation like this.
very good, very good. That's the
Yeah.
way it should be because we should feel proud that we are learning a second language. It's
Yes.
not that we are not able to speak English. We are trying to learn second language, and that is what we should proud about. Okay.
Yes.
So the next question which I wanted to ask you, Smriti, is about your English speaking journey. As you mentioned that you were doing this since last 1 year. So why, first of all, why you wanted to learn English so meticulously? And I know that you have started the translations and everything. What was your long-term vision? What you planned for further for as a journey? So yeah, that's my question.
Okay. So as you asked, I wanted to tell about my journey. As Actually, I started my journey just because of that translation, and I have created two channels for me, and it was always somewhere in my heart that I wanted to tell the message of Srimata ji to everyone. And I found this was a great this would be a great platform for that. And then I decided I will create two YouTube channel. So one would be completely dedicated for Sahaj Yoga meditation, and its name is Nirmal Vidya, and in it my guru's name also there. Her name is Srimataji Nirmala Devi, and my another channel's name is Pure Knowledge. Uh, as now I am a trainer for English beginners, so that name is Pure Knowledge for English beginners.
So, guys, can you see that a lady who is not from non-English background can turn up to be a English trainer? It is amazing, right? It is amazing. And can you make it up? Like she is speaking so fluently and so confidently that if she can do that, you can also do that. Now, next question, Spriti, with you is to you is. See, at the age you mentioned that you are 53 right now, okay? And at
Yes.
the age of 53, people are struggling to handle their mobile. People are struggling to this social media digital world. Then how suddenly you decided that okay, now I have to start YouTube channel, not only one but two. So
Yeah.
isn't I feel that it is a big message. It is a big lesson or motivation for others who are thinking that age I am just old to do all these things. So what message you would like to give it to them?
Okay. It is our mindset only. I will give an example of my batchmate of Anita Goila ji. You know her very well, and she is 70 plus, and she is also started her journey 1 year ago only, I think so, and she succeeded. So she just changed her mindset. So if she can do this, then I am still only 53. So I just changed my mindset, and it is only the hurdle. I would like to suggest and advise all everyone that it is just mindset. If you decide something and you determine to find something, so you can do everything. You just
Okay.
change your mindset and determine something and do everything consistently, then
Correct. Even
everything
I
one.
agree. I agree with you. And I also believe that your mindset is everything. Once you change, once you determine your mindset, you can do anything in this world. Now, the last question, Smriti, with you is, how was your journey so far in Communicators Digital Gurukul? How was your experience?
As you asked about CDG, so what should I tell you? My experience has been and continues to be absolutely amazing, because CDG is blessing for English enthusiasts. And if anyone wants to learn communication and technology, so he or she can learn very easily. So it was my experience, and I really want to advise all and suggest all, if anyone can join CTG, it will be really commendable decision of them.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Smriti. I think it's lovely talking to you. And you know what? You also gave me an energy
Yeah.
to grow ahead and to do a lot for you all. So I think that you would also be a trainer. You would also aspire to be a trainer. And the theme, the vision we have to train like 1,100 young professionals. So you would be part of that training module, and you would also be passing on the message what we have in our Communicator Gurukul. So all the
Yes.
best to you. See you in our next session. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye. Thank you so much.